Good morning. We're here at a beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. But what really makes this really unique is that they've taken the garage, which is separated from the house, and converted it into a studio with a full bathroom and full kitchen. This is the additional parking that your tenant could have. It's 3-car parking. They also have a nice little storage unit. So they can put the things in. This is the beauty of the property. That's right there on the side of the house, so that they can come and go as they please and they're not bothering anyone. Talk about the old-fashioned dream. The house with the white picket fence. Pretty nice. They've got 2 cars worth of parking in the front, and then they have a gate where you can go in the back, and they have even more parking back there, which we'll be going back a little later. So much front yard. Talk about having that family football game during Thanksgiving. What I like here is they have a play area for the children, which is gated. Very nice front tile path to the front door. This is a 1943 home, but as you're going to see, it has been really done well. They have a parquet wooden flooring. They've just redone the fireplace. They put arch from the entrance from the living room into the kitchen. All the ceilings have been cleaned and refinished. Lots of windows. As you can see, this is definitely not a 1943 kitchen. They've redone the whole kitchen. New lighting. New countertops. Newer appliances. See, it's very spacious, plenty of room to entertain. Full bathroom that also has been done. Very nice tile work, yet it still has a nice sliding glass door, but as you see, they choose to use a curtain just to make it a little more attractive. They've refinished the walls with new lighting. The fixtures are new, and They put new tile floors in. They have the wooden floors throughout the house. And this is bedroom number 2. Obviously a boys' room. They have bunk beds. And they've put around the doors, they have a nice crown or molding, nice molded doors. That's the master bedroom, which has a very nice ceiling fan and lights. Also all completely finished. With plenty of storage in the master. And double windows for that additional light. Let's go into the back room. Going out into the backyard. Which, as you can see, and when you open up the double gate, it just gives you that much more parking, or nice place for a big family picnic. Plenty of grass to play, even in the backyard. Additional patio and storage. Here we have the separation gate. This is the access gate from the parking for the private, your guest in the back. They have their own entrance. They also have their own patioed area so that they can have their own private barbecues. They never have to interact with the people in front. Here we have the laundry room. I have all the laundry hookups. And now we go into the studio. As you can see, it has been completely finished. It also has a fan. A full kitchen with nice new countertops. Refrigerator space, just in case you were wondering. They have mirror closets. And a very nice sized bathroom. shower, no tub. All nice tile flooring throughout. This is approximately 25 by 15 feet wide. A very nice studio. This entire property is going for $190,000. And you can find this on CummingsRealtyGroup.com. and a lot more steals. This is Frank. Have a great day.